Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? How are you all doing? I know I have not been able to upload videos that regularly, but if you have seen my last video, then you know that I'm not able to find the time. Video takes a lot of time and effort. I'm willing to put in, but the time I'm not able to find. So whatever videos that I do upload takes a lot of me to put. So I hope you enjoy them, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon, show some love in the comments so that I can keep putting in the effort and finding out the time. This video for me is very special. It's from the last few days at BHMS and everything that me and Vishnu and all of us were doing to prep for our interviews and saying goodbye to BHMS. It was a little hard for me to leave Lucerne and come to Basel. Of course, the change, and I just want you to see all of that, and I hope you enjoy it. I had a big smile on my face when I was going through the footage, so I hope you really enjoy watching this. Regarding the giveaway winners, I want to tell you that on Monday, which is the coming week Monday, I will be announcing the winners on my Instagram as well as on the YouTube community here, so keep a lookout for that. The 5th giveaway winner will be chosen on the basis of everything that I keep seeing from you guys and keep hearing from you guys on YouTube, on my other social media handles. I see you all, like I keep saying, like I keep posting, and basis that I'm gonna pick the 5th giveaway winner, the special winner for me. So stay tuned for that. What are we doing today is that me and the boys are here in the room, and as part of our course we also have to do an internship, and Vishnu has got an interview call, and because he's got an interview call we have to cut his hair, and I will be cutting his hair today. Yay. We don't know how good or bad it's going to be, but we will get to know. How do you feel, Vishnu, about your hair getting cut?
I don't know the final result.
What are you most scared of?
Maybe you got too much of my hair. That's it.
Be loud, we can't hear.
Maybe you cut too much of my hair. That's me. Thank you. I'm not good. I'm nervous.
Aaron,
Yeah,
what are your thoughts on Vishnu's hair getting cut?
it's good. It has to be done. Somebody had to do it. It's okay if it's you, because he's not going to kill you. If it was the barber, he'd definitely kill the guy.
Yay, let's cut. Yeah, it is too
This
long.
is the length. Just this.
Yeah, but it is too long. Sit now, chupchap se. I need a pish to do this. Otherwise, how will I get to know how wet?
I think there is no.
Look at his face.
Your hair is as it is uneven. One is this length and one is that length. I don't get it.
He did that. He made the barber do that. He told him, don't touch the top, just do the sides. Vishnu, how do you react to her doing this to you? The amount of focus and dedication Ankita has, and the fear on Vishnu's face says it all. It's okay, you can breathe.
I'm not cutting too much, Aaron. You can see, right?
Yeah, she's actually doing it really well.
Vishnu, you can talk.
He's holding his breath like
Yeah, don't hold your breath like that. I'm not doing this against you or something. Yeah, it is against your wishes, but
I don't have any choice.
see now, Aaron.
What?
See.
That's better.
Nice, no?
Better.
Ta-da!
Genau.
So smarty, so smarty.
Genau.
Do you like? Do you like it?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't.
But can you live with it? It's not that short also, right?
Yeah.
I didn't cut that much also, right?
Yes.
You will not kill me, right?
No.
Okay, then it's okay. Yay! This is our final look. Final Babu Bachcha. Aaron, what are your thoughts on Vishnu's haircut?
I like it. For temporary, it's fine, but it's not the end of this episode. He has to cut it.
We want Vishnu to cut his hair like proper, like make it really small, but he just wouldn't.
No, but Ankita did a really good job. At least she tried to make it hide.
Without cutting too much.
Without cutting too much, yes, I agree. But it's good.
I was very scared actually. You could see it on my face, right?
Yeah. Because I don't know, the viewers, there's something on inside Vishnu's head that he doesn't like to get rid of it. And he has that weird habit where he doesn't pay the barber if the barber doesn't cut it according to what he asked for.
And that cutting has to be less than half an inch.
Yes.
Vishnu is extremely tensed about his internship interview tomorrow. He's gonna leave at 6:30 AM in the morning, then go to Zurich and give his trial. He's in deep thoughts. What do you think, Karen, how the night is going to be?
It's gonna be a very quiet night because Vishnu is I've never seen him like this in 4 months. But yeah, once in a while a little bit peace is good because he always makes too much sound in the room. Very irritating. Today he let me do anything I want. You know, he has this very weird habit where he doesn't allow you to put the room lights on. He only asks you to use your lamp, your bedside lamp, because he hates light. Yeah, night creature. But yeah, it's fun to see him like this once in a while. I'm enjoying it.
You're enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Vishnu.
Vishnu, how are you feeling about your trial tomorrow?
That's good. There's no problem.
Are you lying to us?
No.
Look at his face. Look at the new hairstyle, guys. Oh my god. Oh, ooh. All the girls are falling. What?
Any guys out there, ping him. Vishnu Musad 007 Instagram handle. Should have taken that.
6 o'clock in the morning, guys, and I'm ready. I'm bathed, and off I go. Aaron and Vishnu have come to drop me to the railway station. So cute.
Three more minutes, yeah.
Norbert.
Hello to everybody. We are very happy to announce that Ankita had the job in the restaurant Stuck in Basel. It's a 2-star Michelin restaurant, and we are very sure she will make proud the BHMS and that place, and we wish her all the best.
Thank you so much, Mr. Norbert. Thank you. One last time. Look who's back.
The one and only, the exactly same, double size twin.
Restaurant. I said goodbye. I'm a little sad about leaving Lucerne, but okay. How are you feeling? Moving all my stuff from Lucerne to here. You can remove your mask, you know. We both are fully vaccinated. If you enjoyed today's video, then please do subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell icon, give it a big thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.